In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the Adobe Acrobat crashing problem step by step. If you've been dealing with these crashes and interruptions, don't worry, because together we're going to tackle it and get your Adobe Acrobat back up and running smoothly. To begin with, the first solution we're going to try involves turning off a few features within Adobe Acrobat that could be causing these pesky performance issues. First, go ahead and launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once you have it open, take a look at the top menu bar and click on Edit. From there, select Preferences. In the window that appears, you'll notice a panel on the left. Go ahead and click on General. Now take a moment to find the option that says Show Online Storage when saving files. If this box is checked, go ahead and deselect it. You might be wondering why this step is necessary. Well, this feature, as useful as it may seem, can sometimes lead to unnecessary performance hiccups, which might be causing the application to crash. Once you've done this, scroll to the bottom and click OK to save your changes. With that done, let's adjust another setting. Again, head back to the Edit menu and select Preferences. This time we're looking for Security Enhanced on that left panel. Click on it, and then within the options that appear, find and uncheck the box labeled Enable Protected Mode at Startup. Don't worry if you see a prompt pop up, just click Yes to proceed. But wait, we're not done yet. Make sure to scroll down and hit OK once more to ensure all your changes are saved. Now, it's important to see if these adjustments have made a difference. Close Adobe Acrobat completely. Give your system a moment, then reopen the application. Take a moment to see if the problem you were facing has been resolved. If your application is still having issues, don't worry. There's another approach we can take. The next solution involves repairing Adobe Acrobat. Begin by opening Adobe Acrobat once again. This time, navigate to the top menu where you'll find Help. Click on it and select Repair Installation from the drop-down menu. Confirm your selection by clicking Yes. This process might take a few minutes, so just sit tight and let it do its thing. Once the repair process is complete, Adobe Acrobat should automatically reopen. At this point, test it out again to see if the issue has been fixed. However, if you're still encountering problems, it might be necessary to go a step further by uninstalling Adobe Acrobat completely from your system and then reinstalling it. Be sure to download it from Adobe's official website to ensure you get the most updated and secure version of the software. And there you have it. These steps should help in getting your Adobe Acrobat back to normal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.